I think Netflix is gonna hate me for this one. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Minute Hustle. I go by the name Jaden if you don't know me, and today I've got a bomb for you. A bomba. Guys, oh my days. What I'm about to bring you today, woo, gonna change some people's lives. Well, people that love watching telly anyway, or anything to do with shows, TV series, anything like that. But yo, what do you think of my beard? I've been growing it, innit? Because there's some girls that be saying, Jay, you need to grow your beard, man. You look nice with your beard. So I've been growing my beard. Sometimes it's itchy. How'd you get past that itchy part? Guys, I know you guys got a beard as well. And you always get itchy parts as well. So man just be like this all day, like. Just scratch it all day. But I need to fix that, seriously. I need to get something on my face. But it looks alright, innit? But moving on, I have come up with a bad boy hustle tip which I think loads of people can make some good money on. Because there's so many people out there that don't know about this. You're about to find out. So this is what I call the Netflix hustle. I was just chilling on my phone, yeah, and I come across one app. I was like, rah, is this real? This app has got literally the whole of Netflix on it. I couldn't believe it. I shouldn't even be giving you this. Netflix might come along and take my life. But hey, it's just another hustle, guys. And that's what this show is all about, man. We're about hustling, making money fast, you know what I mean? The cash. We need the cash, so we will hustle. I come across this app and I said to myself, damn, I need to do a video on this. And this is big as well. I'm not even joking, look. Some of you probably already know about this, but there's a lot of people that don't. Yeah? So, this app is called Showbox. Yeah, I know some of you may know, but there's many people out there that don't know. All them mums and dads, the baby mums, the brothers, them old granddads, all them people that love watching Netflix, that pay the money for Netflix, they clearly don't know about it, because if they did, they wouldn't be spending £6 a month every bloody month trying to get these Netflix shows. Look, check this. I'll get my phone up for you, trust me. Look, let me show you. I got this on my phone. Don't check my code though, Jesus Christ. Get into my phone, Guys, I couldn't believe, oh, let me show you the app first. So, hold on. Let me, so check this, guys. See all these shows? You can scroll through them. These are TV series. And guys, when I talk about Netflix, I'm talking about specific TV series that they say you can only get on Netflix. Let me show you a Netflix TV series, Jesus Christ. I'll search this right now. And I know about this one because it just came out as well, yes. I'll watch this all day long. I'm telling you now. Hold on, let me look. Look, you see that? You see that? Is it all blurry? Why is it blurry for? The Chilling Adventures of Sabrina. We all know that's a Netflix series, guys. Now, I'm gonna tap on this. It has the whole thing, man. Let me show you. It's because my big head's in the way. Hold on. Let me come out of the screen and just get the phone. Hold on. Let me see if it zooms in. You know you can see that. You see it? Oh, there you go. You see that? I'm trying my best to show you here, but this particular thing is a Netflix series. This show here, The Chilling Adventures of Sabrina. Guys, it has every single episode to every season. And it's simple, you click it, you tap it, and then it loads. Check this. Netflix, you see that? This is a Netflix series, guys. I know you guys, some of you seen the intro to this already, but it's a Netflix series, guys, which you're only supposed to get on Netflix. Now, the reason I'm saying this is because there's ways to make money on it. There's so many people that are paying £6 a month. What is that over a year? What? £72 a year for Netflix. And like I said, this thing has everything that you can find on Netflix on there. I promise you, it's not a joke. Plus more. So you imagine if you approach people now and say to them, hey, you say to them, excuse me, how much do you pay on Netflix? because you know they got some packages are higher, like £10 packages, and you pay more on the package so you can get more people in your family to watch it, so like 4 people can watch it. This unlimited people, bro. You don't stop at 4 people. Anyway, excuse me, what if I told you I can give it to you for £25? And it's not just you, everybody in your family, friends, and everyone can watch it anytime. Bomba! They will take it, of course they'll take it, because there's nowhere else that's gonna give you that amazing offer. So when they see you come along now and just offer them like the whole Netflix package for like a one-off payment as well, just a one-off payment, £25 or £30 or any kind of pound you want to charge them, yeah? I wouldn't go more than £50. You go 50. You go £50? I'm gonna download Netflix right now. 50. You charge me £50? Download Netflix. Where's Netflix? I'm gonna download Netflix, man, because I ain't paying £50. I'll just download Netflix. Give them a good price, you know, £25, £30. That's good. One-off payment, boom, done. They pay it, they pay you, they're happy. They can now watch all the shows. Look, Netflix says you can watch it on TV, laptop, mobile. Showbox, you can do the exact same thing. Watch it on the TV, just get your laptop and connect it up, HDMI, it's normal nowadays, come on. Or get yourself, if you've got yourself like one of them if you've got an Amazon Fire Stick or a Roku box, just cast your screen, man. I walk around my friend's house, they got a Roku box. I just bust on my Showbox, yeah? And I cast my whole phone to their screen. I'm just watching what I want anytime I want. Trust me, this will work. I'm telling you now, there's so many people, I can't even count the amount of people. Look, if you're like me, I could probably knock it out for £40. I could probably knock it out £40 and probably get 5 people a day, but that's me. You could probably knock it out for like £25 and just do what, 1 or 2 a day. 2 a day is not hard. It's not hard to do 2 a day, especially when you've got the internet in the palm of your hands. You could just go on Facebook and just hit up the Facebook groups. There's thousands of people just in one group. Imagine if you do a nice little ad showing up the Netflix things, say, listen, I'll offer you Netflix for £25 and it's a one-off payment. Never ever pay again for the rest of your life. Just so you can watch all the shows that you get on Netflix. They'll be like, how? You know they're gonna message you. I'm gonna message you right now. What's your Facebook? Before I run into the numbers, I need to make sure you understand how banging this is, because seriously, there's people spending so much money and they don't have to spend that much, and you could be making the profit off it as well. I shouldn't be telling you this, but I will tell you because I know you like it. So let's go over the numbers now, right? So let's say you offered the Netflix package, yeah? You offered people the Netflix package for £25, yeah? It's £25, and you did just 2 a day. 2 people a day. And that's easy, by the way. 2 people a day, that's £50. Bomba! £50 just from giving them this package. And you say to these guys, look, it's lifetime. You can have up to 4 people, more than 4, have up to 10, 15, 20 people, as many people as you want. Because once they've got it, that's it. So you want to make it sound as great as possible, because it is great, by the way. And I know there's a lot of people now watching my series that has Netflix, and I know you're going to come off it now, because you're going to be like, rah, Jay, you just helped my life, man. So that's just based on 2 people, yeah? So, imagine if you did like 5 people a day. Man, I'm not even going to put that in, but you can just see what I'm saying. If 2 people was like 50, you know, double that. 4 people was £100. This is serious, guys. You can make some good money on this, not a joke. Rolling smoothly on. You did this over 10 days. Guys, 10 days, you're looking at £500. Boomba! It's that simple, guys. Oh my God. £500 just from telling people about this little Showbox app that everybody can have on their phones, tablets, or whatever. Yeah? You do this over 30 days. I'm not going to waste no time. Over 30 days, you already know what it is. £1,500. Bomba! This is clean money. Look, I say this before. What do you do for a living? Oh, you're a carpenter. Okay. And what do you do? Oh, what, you work in Subway? What, sandwiches, yeah? Okay. What do I do? I just sell Netflix, innit? Huh? Yeah, I just sell Netflix. What? Yeah, I just sell Netflix. Is it? What do you make? About £1,500. What? That's what people were saying, man. They were like, how are you even selling Netflix for that amount? So don't worry about it. I will tell you next week, oh. Next week comes. I will tell you next week after. And then that one comes. Oh, don't worry about it. So guys, I know you like this. I want 2 likes. Matter of fact, give me 1 like, because I'm going to like this myself. Guys, this Netflix hustle is wicked, man. And I know there's a lot of people that are gonna hate, but guys, you can make money today. Trust me. Start making money now. Build your ads. Get the bloody Netflix images or whatever images you want to use. Get them. Throw them up on Facebook and make your money. Even in your local area, you can make some serious money, man. So start doing it, yeah? Let me know how it goes for you. And if you haven't already done so, make sure you click my subscribe button, which I'm gonna bust in this corner. I'm busting it there. Click my subscribe button and click that notifications bell. I know I just said it, but click it. Stay up to date. Make sure so you don't miss no.